Alright, what's up? I got some loops here from a friend of mine called Starshower. He's a producer from Perth, Boorloo, over here in Australia. That's like countries away if you're from like Europe or something. I've never been to Perth before in my life. Supposedly has like the nicest beaches in Australia. Anyway, Starshower sent me some loops here, like a whole heap of loops actually. So today we're gonna pick one out and I'm gonna do a cook up. I'm really excited to show you because I feel like he's such an underrated producer. He sent me loops before and they're just like next level. This one, it's with Ryan Kelly as well, something that I don't normally make. We got it all stemmed out as well, which is really good. I appreciate that because it just means that you can kind of rearrange it and mix it the way that you want it. I think I got some type of arrangement here. This looks a little bit weird, but it's just 4 bars, but I kind of like just overlapped it so that the tail decays out and it sounds more natural. Do you have any tips on getting placements? I don't have many placements, but just kind of make the music because you like making it. If it feels like you, an extension of you, I wouldn't go like chasing any trending sounds. I think like nothing's guaranteed. You could send loops to someone for like 2 years straight and nothing would come of it unless you're okay with that. I saw this TikTok and it was Rick Owens, and something that he said, just find comfort in the work and doing the work. Don't be expecting like anything else other than that. If making the music isn't enough for you, then maybe, I don't know, go and do something else. Get comfortable with doing the work and be happy with that. Anything else that comes into your life as a result of that is just an added bonus. Be willing to learn all the time, constantly working on your craft. There's no point really in being in music if you want to like just do it to get rich or whatever, to become famous or some empty like that. You know, it's not very fulfilling. I think what's fulfilling is creating music that you like and pushing the margin for yourself, being proud of what you create. It's not really like a straightforward answer to your question, but if you want to get placements and you want to pursue music, I think it's a little bit deeper than me just saying, oh, you need to message people like this, or you need to send like 5 loops a day or something like that. So I just made this hi-hat pattern. It's really simple, but I kind of dissected it in a way, chopped it up, and then separated these white notes. So it's the same hi-hat sample, but then the white notes are put in here and I just hit reverse. Because it's such a simple hi-hat pattern, this sort of adds a little bit of variation to it and makes it feel a little bit more complex. So I made that video like 2 days ago and then I was editing it today and I just realized that half the video has like no audio. So I'm still gonna post the video like anyway, obviously if you're watching this video, but I just wanted to make this just to say a huge thanks to Starshower and Ryan Kelly. I'll leave their links in the description, so go check them out. They're super talented. Hopefully I did their loop justice. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.